Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Jamie and today I wanted to do a FabFitFun summer unboxing. So this came just a minute ago. I just went and grabbed it. I was able to pre-select my items because I'm an annual member, so I get to choose all my items. I do think I have an add-on item in here, but we'll talk about it as we go through it. I'm pulling up my app right now just to see that I can tell you about all the products. If you guys don't know about FabFitFun, well, you should. So it's like a $49 seasonal subscription box. So you get 4 a year and you can lock it in and be an annual member, and then you'll pay just annually, or you can be a seasonal member and then you pay seasonally as the boxes come out. The annual membership, you get to pick all of your items in your box, and for $50, comes with a lot of different items. There's makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all different types of items in the box. So I'm gonna go through what I got in my summer box, and this one was all right. I remember going online and picking out my items, and I wasn't like extremely excited, but I was somewhat excited. So let's just go through these really quickly. So sometimes like it's a hit and other times not so much. I remember there were some Anastasia lipsticks that I really wanted, but they were sold out by the time I got there, but I really don't need them, but I decided to anyway. I decided I wanted to try to get them anyway, but they weren't there. So this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. It's always really cute. It comes with a catalog in here that tells you some information about the products, but not really that much. I feel like it used to tell you a lot more, but now it's more about exercise and lifestyle stuff. So it's kind of cute to read through, and let's just jump into the products. So you always get like, I think you get like 6 items, and you get to select through a bunch of different items to pick which ones interest you the most. And I think even with the seasonal membership, you get to pick at least like 4 of your items or something, like probably 3/4 of your items. But with the annual membership, you get to choose all of them. So first item in here that I picked apparently is a Free People bralette. So I went with a large, extra large, because I've had Free People bralettes in the past and they run really small. I picked this one out right here. This was the only like color that they had. It looks pretty cute. It's very stretchy and pretty good material. It's a $60 value, and it's got a full back to it. It looks pretty nice. I think I should be able to wear this. I'm not a huge bralette wearer. I like the support of a regular bra, but I thought that that looked cute and it'd be great for the summer. So that item was $60. Then the next item I picked out was the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. I had heard some great things about this and I wanted it. It's worth $38. I know they had a couple different scents. I think they had like a seasonal one that they put out that was like St. Bart's or something that everybody likes, and I didn't get that one. That's not what this was, but hey, you know, I love the smell of Way products. I have like their perfumes and different things as well. So I was excited about this, especially like just to get this part of this box. It just smells fresh and clean. It smells like the natural Way product scent. I think it's like North Bondi, that scent in their perfumes is the way that this one smells, and it's great. $38. It looks like it's a pretty good scrub in there. I love body scrubs, so you'll see that theme throughout the box. But there it is. It's thick and I'm excited. I like body scrubs. I just feel like it's always awesome to exfoliate your skin, and you can't go wrong with that. So I'm all for it, and I love like facial exfoliators and body exfoliators. So let's move on. I think there's 2 more exfoliators in this box. So then I picked up this jewelry set they had. This was the Sanctuary Project bundle with Bauble Bar. So this is like a little cute little necklace, and then it also came with some Bauble Bar pieces. I guess they're in this little bag here. And the thing that really drew me to this as a choice was this little necklace thing. Oh, let me pull this apart. So this right here, it allows you to wear several necklaces at one time and like layered, and then only have one like thing to close it. So, but what's interesting is you got to put them all on. Oh, I thought it would like come apart. I think it does. Okay, hold on, wait. Ugh. Okay, so this like comes apart. It's not the easiest to take it apart, I'll tell you that. And then it goes back together. But anyway, you can put all your necklaces together then, and then you don't have to worry about wearing them all individually, which I really liked. And it came with these little extenders as well to extend the length of your necklace. And then this little necklace, and I'll take this out really quick. Let's see how much this whole set is valued at $76. I don't know if I would pay $76, but I have seen those little, the 3 little necklace layer things for pretty expensive. But this one, I've seen them being magnetic, and this one is not magnetic, so I don't know. It's not the same, but this is like a non-profit social enterprise. This company is Sanctuary. So it sounds like it's pretty good. It has this cute little crystal on it. It seems nice. I don't know if it's like the nicest. I would not pay $76. I might pay like 15 bucks for this. I'm pretty cheap though, but let's see, I can throw it on really quick. I like that it's like the same on both sides, so if it flips over, it doesn't really like look funny. And let's see, it's a good layering necklace. So there it is. It's cute. I just liked it the most out of the choices that I had. So most excited about this little thing. We'll see how that works. And next choice was this Illamasqua Bronzer. So I don't know, this was a gel sculpt contour, and then this one, it was $32. And I think I picked the shade Outline. I feel like you could pick from a couple different shades, and it's got this little cap on it. I like some Illamasqua products, so I wasn't sure how I would like this. This is definitely like a gel cream bronzer. Uh-oh. This doesn't seem to show up at all on me. Like I just put it all over my arm. I don't know. I might have picked the too light of shade. It just looked like the darker shades were super dark, so we'll have to see. This one could be like a total flop, but who knows? It's hard to like just tell a product by just watching it on your hand. So we will have to see how that one goes. I don't know, that was a little interesting, and I didn't feel like the way that they presented it was very appealing, the way that you could pick. Anyway, that's $32. So, and then the last one on this one that I picked was this Hava Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. This one right here. I've had Ahava products in the past. I really like them. They're like a natural skincare brand. I think they had like a sensitive skin one as well, and I didn't go with that one. I just went with the normal to dry. It smells good. And it's just nice to have like another lotion around. So I can always use these, and this brand is a good brand. This is $69 value. That's crazy. And it doesn't really say if it's for your face or anything. It just says it's approved for sensitive skin and it's supposed to be long-lasting moisturizer. It just smells nice and fresh. It doesn't smell anything funky or anything really, really great. It just smells nice. So I like this brand. Happy to have this, but that's a very, very expensive product. The next thing I picked was a bundled product, which was this Mani Moments Mani in a Box Duo with a nail file, and then this exfoliating body polish. So together, these were a $58 value, and I think the Mani in the Box comes with some like gloves or something to, I don't know, it's got a whole 3-step different process here. You got a sugar scrub, you got a cream mask, you have some massage butter, and actually you've got a, I don't know, you've got a bunch of different steps in here, and it's this whole little thing. Guess that's like 2 full manicures in here, and it just looked like a pretty cool, interesting little package deal. And then this body scrub, which I always love a body scrub. So happy to have that as well, and we'll just be testing these out. I don't know much about this. I'm sure most of the products that FabFitFun has are like clean beauty products. I'm sure these are probably a clean line as well that they're highlighting. Okay, it said I got a mystery surprise in here, and I think what it is, I actually don't know if it is, I don't feel like I picked a mystery surprise, but I got something. I got 2 things actually as my surprise, I guess. I got this body scrubber. So this is a KO body scrubber, and I know I did not pick this. I do not remember picking this. Okay, it's like this thing, and I guess you put your stuff on it and you'd use it to scrub your body. It's a silicone body scrubber. It looks like it could be a good like brush cleaner too as well. It kind of feels, it feels really cool actually. Silicone, so that's great against bacteria and different things that get into loofahs. So it's nice to have that. And then this one, I guess, was a freebie for some reason, and it is this My Tag-Along's personal safety alarm, and I am really, really excited about this. This actually kind of makes the bag for me. So this is like a personal security device that you can carry with you, and if you pull it out, I think it makes like a really loud sound, a high-pitched 125 decibel sound with flashing LED strobe lights to attract attention. And you can connect it to your backpack, you could put it on your, you know, whatever you want to have this on. And I'm really excited about this because I have a 14-year-old daughter, and she's always doing things, hanging out with her friends and going on walks and running in the neighborhood, different things. And I'm really excited to have something like this that she could take to protect herself and that we could hear her wherever she is. Then the last item I did pick out was this KP body eraser body scrub, bump eraser body scrub, body eraser. That's strange. I wish it was like a cellulite eraser. So this is the First Aid Beauty ingrown hair pads and KP bump eraser body scrub. Together, these were a $40 value, and I think that this is really great as well. Love this in the shower, like I was saying, to exfoliate. And then this will be great for ingrown hairs, like on the bikini line or different things. I have a 16-year-old son, a 14-year-old daughter, and then 2 little ones as well. But these are great for them with the different types of acne problems that they have as well. And I think that this is awesome. So I'm very happy to have that. And then, I mean, they add in a lot of different things, but this month they added in this liquid IV stuff. I really like this, just a free packet of that. And then they added in a discount code for Daily Harvest, which I've actually been contemplating getting anyway. And this is like $40 off your first order. So I was really interested in picking this up too. So we'll see about that. But this is my whole box, and I'm really happy with it. I definitely think I got my value out of it with different things. I'm sad about this. I am happy for this. There's just some kind of cool, very happy for this products in here. I know that I'll use, that's what I try to pick the most of when I get these boxes, is what do I know I'll use, and I focus on those items. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or what you guys got in your box, what you think about these items. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.